So now we are having our next natural disaster, that is an earthquake. Okay, earthquake is sudden shaking or trembling of earth caused by disturbance deep inside the earth. Okay, which lasts for a very short time. Okay, everyone. So the energy stored inside, deep inside of the earth or the deeper layer over a long period of time is suddenly released, usually in the form of strains in rocks resulting in earthquake. वो कहते हैं जो एनर्जी सीप होती रहती है अर्थ में, ठीक है, वो जब एकदम से निकल के आती है आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम, दैट कॉज ऑल दिस हर्शल बसल. ओके, सो हियर इट्स रिटन दैट you can see in the pictures on the slide even that it caused lots of destructions. It caused damage to buildings, dams, bridges. It caused landslides, floods and tsunamis as well. Okay, and it can also cause to damage to life and property, students. So reason question is, students, what causes earthquake? Earthquake आता कैसे है? The main causes of earthquake is movement of tectonic plates, volcanic eruptions, dislocation of the crust, underground nuclear explosion. These are the main causes. Movement of tectonic plates. I will told you what are tectonic. I'll tell you what are tectonic plates. Volcanic eruption, ज्वालामुखी का फटना, dislocation of the crust, okay, and underground nuclear explosion. Students, जो हमारी outer most layer of earth called crust is not in one piece. जो हमारी crust है outer layer, that it's not in one piece. It is made up of fragments into many plates. ये fragmented है और ये बहुत सारी plates की बनी है, which are called the tectonic plates. Okay. It is more like a jigsaw of blocks that fits together. Okay, our world is divided into 7 large tectonic plates and several smaller plates. So when these plates, these plates moving continuously, but when these plates brush past each other and or one plate goes under another plate due to collision, they cause disturbance and causes an earthquake. Okay. Next is the volcanic eruption. Volcano is a hole in the earth crust through which the molten rocks and the hot gas under high pressure rushed out. ठीक है, जो एनर्जी रिलीज होती है वॉल्केनिक eruption से वो भी वाइब्रेशन करती है क्रस्ट में, जिसकी वजह से अर्थक्वेक होता है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज द डिसलोकेशन ऑफ द crust or the fault zones. Okay, faults. So over millions of years, the movement of tectonic plates have created weak points in the earth crust called faults. वो कहते हैं इतने सालों से ये मूवमेंट हो रही है तो उसने क्या है कुछ वीक जोन्स बना लिए हैं अर्थ क्रस्ट ने, विच आर कॉल्ड द फॉल्ट जोन्स और द फॉल्ट्स. ओके, जिसको हम सिस्मिक जोन्स भी कहते हैं. द बाउंड्रीज ऑफ द प्लेट्स आर वीक जोन्स कॉल्ड द सिस्मिक जोन्स. ओके, सो मोस्ट फॉल्ट्स अकर along the boundary of the tectonic plates, and these are the zones where earthquake occurs. These weak, as I told you, these weak zones are also called the seismic zones. The seismic zone in India are Kashmir, Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plain, North Indian region, Kutch, Rajasthan, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, some regions of South India, etc. Okay, students, as we know that earthquake comes, right? earthquake आता है तो how we come to know that earthquake, हम कहते हैं ना इतने magnitude से आया, इतनी power से आया. how we measure the power of earthquake is measured on a scale called Richter scale. Okay, जो बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रक्टिव मैग्नीट्यूड होते हैं हैव मैग्नीट्यूड्स मोर देन 7.5 on Richter scale. Okay, earthquake produce waves on the surface of earth which are called the seismic waves. Okay, and seismic waves are recorded by the instrument called seismograph. अब वो कहता है earthquake क्या है, waves produce करती हैं अर्थ पे, तो वो waves किससे रिकॉर्ड होती हैं, seismograph से. Students, some important terms are related to earthquake are there. One is the seismic focus, a place of origin of earthquake inside earth, जहाँ से मतलब earthquake start हुआ, focus point, that is called seismic focus. Okay, epicenter, the point on the surface of earth directly above the focus of an earthquake. अब epicenter क्या है, जिस फोकस के डायरेक्टली सरफेस में अर्थ पे पहुंच के जो पॉइंट है, दैट इज एपिसेंटर. ओके, अब हम पढ़ेंगे सिस्मोग्राफ. व्हाट इज सिस्मोग्राफ? इट्स एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच डिटेक्ट्स and records the intensity of seismic waves generated by the earthquake. Okay, students, a seismograph detects the shock waves produced by earthquake and records them on a paper in the form of graph, and this instrument is simply by a vibrating pendulum. Okay, when earthquake occurs, the earth shakes, the base of the seismograph fixed to the earth also shakes, but the freely suspended bob of the pendulum does not shake and remain in place. Okay, a pen is attached below the pendulum, under which is a fixed roller with a graph paper. Since the graph paper on the rotating drum shakes with the shaking of earth, the pen attached to the suspended bob draw the vibration produced by earthquake on the graph paper. Okay, and so this is what they're done by seismograph. Okay, how it records the intensity of the earthquake. Okay, students, the various effects of earthquake like man-made buildings, railway tracks, जितनी भी structures हैं वो damage हो जाते हैं. Okay, fire often break out following an earthquake, which is caused by sparkling of or electric short circuits, groundwater pipes rupture. Okay, tremor in hilly areas, river system can burst open. ठीक है, and it can cause flood even. So lots of harmful effects are there. Okay, so earthquake safe buildings are very important. So how can we make a quake safe building? It is in highly seismic areas, the use of light construction material like mud or timber is better than using heavy construction material. Okay, keep roof as light as possible. Okay, it's better if the cupboards and shelves are fixed to the wall clocks, photo frames, water heaters, etc. should be hung properly, and so that in event of earthquake they do not fall on people. Okay, all buildings, especially tall buildings, should have firefighting equipments installed outward opening doors. Ensure that doors open easily. Okay, some safety measures to be taken during an earthquake. If you are outdoor, find an open area away from the building, trees, power lines, and lie on the ground. If you are in car or bus, try ask the driver to slow down and don't get out till the tremor stop. Okay, or move to an open area immediately. And if you are inside the home, take shelter under table. If you are in bed, do not get up. Protect your head with pillow. Stay away from tall or heavy objects which may fall on you. Okay, stay away from windows, bookcases, file cabinets and all. Okay, in kitchen, move away from the refrigerator, cooking gas stoves. Turn off power supply and gas supply. Okay, so it's all about the chapter, students. Hope the chapter is clear to you. So thank you.